Now exercise 16.4. Here we can read question number 1. Test the continuity or discontinuity of the following functions by calculating the left hand limits, right hand limits and the values of functioning at points specified. जुन चाहिँ क्वेशनमा पोइन्ट चाहिँ स्पेसिफाइड गरिएको छ त्यो पोइन्टमा डिस्कन्टिन्युअस हो कि कन्टिन्युटी हो चेक गर्नुपर्छ। जस्तो मैले अब 3 को गर्न खोजिरहेको छु fx = 3x² - 2x + 4 8x = 1। सो कुनै पनि कन्टिन्युअस फंक्शन हुनको लागि के हुनुपर्छ लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड लिमिट हैन लिमिट x टेन्ड्स टु 1 माइनस of x = 3(1)² - 2 * 1 + 4 = 3 - 2 + 4 = कति हुन आउँछ यो 5 हैन 4 3 7 यो 5 हुन आउँछ। त्यस्तै राइट ह्यान्ड लिमिट लेफ्ट सो प्लस of fx = what will happen then 1² - 2 * 1 + 4 = 3 - 2 + 4 = 5. Now and f of 3, what will be the f of 3? So what we can say that limit x tends to -1 f of xx = limit plus f of x, so equal and r finite to finite value that is 5, finite value that is 5. So limit we can write limit x tends to 1 of fx that is exists, okay exist भयो हैन। so limit x tends to 1 f of x = 5. Now also f of 1 = 3 * 1² - 2 * 1 plus 4 = 3 - 2 plus 4 = 5. Okay, now so limit x tends to 1 f of fx = f of 1 equal, so hence fx is continuous, hence we can write hence f of x is continuous at x = 1। यसमा के भयो भने लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड लिमिट निकाल्यो राइट ह्यान्ड लिमिट निकाल्यो दुईटीको फिनाइट भ्यालु आयो हैन फिनाइट भ्यालु आयो र यो बराबर पनि भयो। त्यस कारणले गर्दा के भयो त fx एक्जिस्ट भयो। अब लिमिट f of x1 भनेको 5 भयो, सो f of 1 निकाल्ने अब यो पनि के आयो त 5 आयो, त्यसैले लिमिट x tends to 1 fx = 1 बराबर भयो। सो हेन्स fx इज कन्टिन्युअस। तीनवटै कन्डिसन के भयो सेटिस्फाई भयो, त्यसैले यो के हुन्छ फंक्शन कन्टिन्युअस हुन्छ। नेक्स्ट fx = 1/x - 2 at x = does not equal to 2 मा कस्तो हुन्छ भने fx = 1/x - 2, so limit x tends to 2 left hand limit fx = limit x tends to -2 1x - 2, that will give you -infinity. So it is this is discontinuous at x = 2. So limit x = 2 plus 1 fx = limit x tends to 2 plus x minus 2 = plus infinity. So इन्फिनिटी आउने बित्तिकै के हुन्छ त इन्फिनिटी आउने बित्तिकै के हुन्छ finite value आएन भने if finite value does not come in this situation this function directly we can say this is done discontinuous at x is equal to 2. If this is discontinuous at x is equal to 2, this means this function is continuous at x does not equal to 2. किनभने except 2, if we put other value, this function give you a finite number or finite value of function, and left hand and right hand also would be equal. So if we put directly x is equal to 2, so it directly gives you infinite number, that is infinite value. So this is already, so यदि एउटा पनि सम्भव भएन भने, एउटा पनि त्यो तीनवटा क्याटेगोरीमा एउटा पनि क्याटेगोरी फेल भयो भने त्यो के हुन्छ, डिस्कन्टिन्युअस हुन्छ. अब त्यही फर्मुला यहाँ लगाऊ. fx is equal to x minus 1. So limit x tends to fx is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus so x minus 1, that give you infinite number, infinite value. So f of fx is equal to x minus 1 is discontinuous. कहाँ? at x is equal to 1. Now let's see next example. Now question number 2. Discuss the continuity of functions at the specified points specified. So I am try to solve question number first 2:1. Okay, so what is 2x square minus 2 minus x square 2, 4x is less than or equal to 2 and x minus 4 x is greater than 2 at x is equal to 2. अब x is equal to 2 मा यो फंक्शन त्यो कन्टिन्युअस छ कि छैन त्यो चेक गर्नुपर्छ. सो लेट फर्स्ट लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड लिमिट. ओके, लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड लिमिट at x is equal to 1 मा. सो लिमिट x tends to 2 मा 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus so less वाला हुन्छ. सो 2 हैन. So 2 minus x square gives you 2 minus 2 into 2 square, that will give you 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Again right hand limit right hand limit at x is equal to 2. So at x is equal to 2, so limit x tends to 2 plus f of x is equal to limit x is equal to 2 plus x minus 4 is equal to 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So here, so what we are seeing, that limit x tends to 2 f x and limit x tends to 2 minus f of plus r finite पनि हो -2 and के हो त इक्वल पनि हो and इक्वल पनि हो. So what we see, so limit x tends to 2 f of x exist के हुन्छ exist and limit x tends to 2 f of x is equal to minus 2. Okay, both are same. Now f of 2. So what will be the function of f of 2, which is given equal. So equal is always functional, gives you functional value. So 2 minus 2 square is equal to 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So what we see, limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to limit 2 plus f of x is equal to f of 2. So hence fx is fx is continuous at कहाँ x is equal to 2. Now discuss question number 3.1. So a function fx is defined as follows: fx is equal to x square plus 2 for x is less than or equal to 5, 20 for x is equal to 5, and 3x plus 12 for x is greater than 5, so that fx has a removable discontinuity at x is equal to 5. के भनिरहेको छ भने x is equal to 5 मा रिमुभल डिस्कन्टिन्युटी हो भनेर प्रमाणित गर्नुहोस् भन्छ. सो नेक्स्ट नाउ फर्स्ट अफ के गर्नु, लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड लिमिट. सो लिमिट x टेन्ड्स टु 5 माइनस f अफ x इज इक्वल टु, यसमा के छ भने 4 हेर्नु है. 4 लेफ्ट ह्यान्डको लागि लेस देन, x सुड बी लेस देन 5. सो x स्क्वायर प्लस 2. सो limit x tends to minus 5 x square plus 2 is equal to 5 square plus 2 is equal to 25 plus 2 is equal to 27. Similarly, right hand limit plus 5 f fx, यसमा के हुन्छ भने ग्रेटर वाला हैन, ग्रेटर भ्यालु वाला यो हेर्नु है. ग्रेटर भ्यालु 3x माइनस 3x प्लस 12 वाला हैन. सो 3x प्लस 12 इज इक्वल टू 3 into 5 plus 12 is equal to 15 plus 12 is equal to 27. So here we can see that here left hand limit of fx and left hand limit and right hand limit of fx are equal and finite. इक्वल पनि हो र फिनाइट पनि हो. अब यसको अर्थ के हुन्छ भने नाउ अब सो वी क्यान राइट लिमिट x टेन्ड्स टु 5 f अफ x एक्जिस्ट, के गर्यो एक्जिस्ट गर्यो, एन्ड लिमिट x टेन्ड्स टु 5 fx इज इक्वल टु त्यो कति हो त 27. एक्जिस्ट पनि भयो र त्यसको भ्यालु कति हो 27. नाउ बटमा के लेख्ने, f of 5 will give you here f of 5 what is for x is equal to 5 is 20. So here is 20. Now so hence fx is here, therefore limit x tends to 5 f of x does not equal to f of 5, does not equal to f of 5 किन यो 20 भयो र यो के छ 27 छ. सो hence fx is not continuous, के भयो not continuous at x is equal to 5 मा. So this is the So this is a case of removable discontinuity. ओके, रिमुभल डिस्कन्टिन्युटी किन भयो त? रिमुभल डिस्कन्टिन्युटी कस्तो हुन्छ भने लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड लिमिट र राइट ह्यान्ड लिमिट बराबर हुनुपर्छ र फिनाइट हुनुपर्छ र फङ्सनल भ्यालु बराबर नभएको बेला के हुन्छ त त्यस्तो टाइपको डिस्कन्टिन्युटी चाहिँ के हुन्छ त रिमुभल डिस्कन्टिन्युटी हुन्छ र त्यसलाई रिडिफाइन पनि गर्न मिल्छ हैन। सो redefined function can be redefined function is as follows। कस्तो हुन्छ भने यो कन्टिन्युअस हुनको लागि यो फंक्शन कसरी डिफाइन गरेको हुनुपर्छ भने f of fx इज इक्वल टु कति x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 लेस देन 4x इज लेस देन 5 and 27 4x is equal to 5 and 3x plus 12 4x is greater than 5। सो यो के हो त रिडिफाइन्ड फंक्शन यसरी हुन्छ, यसलाई चेन्ज गर्दा हुन्छ। 20 लाई 27 बनाइदिनु, यो फंक्शन रिडिफाइन्ड भइहाल्यो। Now here a function fx is defined below। fx is equal to kx plus 3 4x is greater than or equal to 2 3x minus 1 4x is less than or equal to 2। Find the value of k so that fx is continuous at x is equal to 2। First of all, solution. First of all, what we have to done here left hand limit at x is equal to 2, so minus 2 f of x is equal to left hand limit x, so 3x minus 1 is equal to 3 into 2 minus 1 is equal to 5। again right hand limit, again what is right hand limit x tends to 2 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus, so for this greater value kx plus 3 is equal to 2k, so x is replaced by 2k plus 3 is equal to 2k plus 3। since fx and directly we can find f of 2 will give you 2k plus 3 also। since fx is continuous at x is equal to 2, so limit x tends to left hand limit fx is equal to right hand limit 2 plus f of x will give you, so what is the value of this left hand 5 or this is 2k plus 3 or 2k is equal to 5 minus 3 or 2k is equal to 2 or k is equal to 2/2 that is 1. Here 4k is equal to 1. This is your answer. So this is the possible types of some problems related to this chapter continuity. So please do labor and it will easy for you. Copy and read, and you must read book also. किताब पनि पढ्ने, इक्जाम्पल पनि हेर्ने, डेफिनिसन पनि रट्ने. यति कुरा गरिसकेपछि यो सजिलो हुन्छ. त्यो भिडियो हेरेर मात्रै हुँदैन. यो भिडियो हेरेर कपीमा पनि सार्नु, आफ्नो नोटबुकमा सार्नु, त्यसपछि मात्रै पढाइ गर्नु.